A for apple, apple means save.
A for apple, apple means save.
B for ball, ball means ball.
B for ball, ball means ball.
C for cat, cat means Billy.
C for cat, cat means Billy.
D for dog, dog means Kuda.
D for dog, dog means Kuda.
E for elephant, elephant means Hathi.
E for elephant, elephant means Hathi.
F for fish, fish means Machli.
F for fish, fish means Machli.
G for grapes, grapes means Anghur.
G for grapes, grapes means Anghur.
H for hain, hain means Murgi.
H for hain, hain means Murgi.
I for ice cream means ice cream.
I for ice cream means ice cream.
J for jug, jug means jug.
J for jug, jug means jug.
K for kite, kite means pat on.
K for kite, kite means pat on.
L for lion, lion means share.
L for lion, lion means share.
M for monkey, monkey means bondar.
M for monkey, monkey means bondar.
N for nail. NAL means NAL.
N for nail. NAL means NAL.
O for orange, orange means soundtrack.
O for orange, orange means soundtrack.
P for parrot, parrot means toda.
The P for parrot, parrot means toad.
Q for queen, queen means Ronnie.
The Q for queen, queen means Ronnie.
R for rabbit, rabbit means Kargosh.
R for rabbit. Rabbit means Kargosh.
S for sun, sun means Suraj.
S for sun, sun means Suraj.
T for tiger, tiger means tiger.
T for tiger, tiger means tiger.
U for umbrella, umbrella means chatada.
U for umbrella, umbrella means chatada.
V for vain, vain means gaiety.
V for vain, vain means gaiety.
W for watch means gaudy.
W for watch means gaudy.
X for Max Christmas means Christmas.
X for Max Christmas means Christmas.
Y for Yak means yak.
Y for yak means yak.
Z for zebra means zebra.
Z for zebra means zebra.